A little more to the left. There. Keep your grip light. Perfect placement. Let's line up the next cluster.
Really hot.
It is, about 1,300 degrees. That's why we keep this barrier between us.
It's turning solid already.
Flow rate holding. Keep it that way.
It's starting! Whoa, look at them glow. They're like little fire rocks.
So cool! That one looks like it's breathing.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Quick drop, right on tempo.
Couldn't be smoother. Ready for the dump?
On your mark,
3, 2, 1.
nailed it.
Look at that sunrise.
That's it. It's running clean. Just a little longer, and she'll be ready to pour.